You walk into a room, stop, and realize you have absolutely no idea why you went in there. Or maybe you spend 5 minutes hunting for your keys, only to find them sitting right on the table. Most of us brush these moments off. We assume that a slipping memory is a mandatory tax we pay as we get older. However, researchers have found that these lapses aren't just random glitches. They are often the measurable result of how our daily choices interact with our neurological health. According to medical experts at the Mayo Clinic, there are specific, actionable steps you can take to preserve and protect your cognitive function. Shifting away from the idea that decline is inevitable allows you to focus on simple, natural interventions that only take a few minutes a day. Cognitive issues rarely hit all at once. They creep up gradually, a missed appointment here, a forgotten name there, until the mental effort required for focus starts to feel heavier than it used to. Constant inputs like stress and sleep deprivation impact the brain's workload. As pressures pile up, the central processor slows down, making recall harder. People turn to brain supplements or apps, but these superficial patches don't address the internal congestion. The brain functions like a muscle. To prevent it from weakening, it requires a specific regimen of environmental fuel and deliberate recovery. Maintaining sharp memory requires moving past reactive fixes and adopting a consistent routine of daily biological maintenance. Physical activity is the first habit in this routine. As this animation shows, exercise acts as a mechanical pump, driving a rapid flow of blood and oxygen directly into the brain cavity. You don't need intense athletic training to see these results. A brisk daily walk or short bike ride keeps this circulatory pump primed. Once blood is flowing, challenge the tissue. Spending 15 minutes a day learning a new skill or solving a problem forces the brain to build new neural connections. Memory is also shaped by external factors. Regular social interaction actively suppresses cortisol levels, preventing the stress-induced damage that can erode cognitive health. Optimizing your brain requires this dual approach: internal physiological movement combined with external environmental stimulation. That environmental stimulation must be managed. A cluttered physical space creates constant visual noise, forcing your brain to use processing power on irrelevant information. By using designated locations for items and offloading your schedule to planners or calendars, you free up cognitive space for more complex tasks. While organization handles the day, sleep handles the data. This timeline shows how chaotic information from waking hours is sorted into long-term memory during deep rest. This biological consolidation requires 7 to 9 hours of sleep. If the clock stops before this mark, the sorting fails and data scatters. Controlling your physical environment and strictly protecting your recovery periods eliminates the daily friction that we often mistake for memory loss. Nutrition provides the biological foundation for this entire system. Dietary choices aren't just calories, they are the chemical building blocks your cells need to perform. Choosing lean proteins, adding whole grains, and eating fish delivers the high-quality fuel required for your brain to operate at its peak over a lifetime. The final habit is often the most overlooked. As this diagram shows, conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and hearing loss orbit the brain as constant physiological threats. When unmanaged, they generate systemic damage. This interference directly degrades the central processing centers responsible for memory. This means that managing your overall health through regular checkups and medical advice is actually a vital form of brain protection. This framework is accessible to everyone. It doesn't rely on expensive supplements, complex technology, or specific genetic traits. It is built on 7 daily inputs: movement, mental challenge, connection, organization, sleep, nutrition, and systemic health management. Memory is not a static gift you are born with. It is a dynamic capability that you must actively support every single day. You don't have to overhaul your life all at once. Simply pick one of these habits and start applying it today. By taking agency over your daily routines, you are using the best scientific tools available to keep your mind sharp for the long term.